Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can listen your WhatsApp voice message before sending it to anyone. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then select the chat, and now we will click on audio recorder and we will record a message. So after recording message you have to pause it. Now you can check it. You can play your voice and you can check the quality of your voice. Then you have two options. First is forward option or send option, and other is delete option. If you want to send, click on forward, and if you want to delete, then you can delete it. So in this way you can listen your WhatsApp voice before sending it to anyone. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.